Here's the step-by-step guide for your correct morning skincare routine. Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. Here's the correct morning layering of your skincare products. Step 1, face cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. Step 2, toner. This is optional, but it can prepare your skin for the next step. Step 3, serum. Dito pumapasok ang actives like vitamin C or niacinamide and vitamins or other plant extracts. Step 4, eye cream. This is optional. Apply before heavier creams. Step 5, moisturizer to lock in hydration. Step 6, face oil. This is optional. Best applied last to seal everything in. Last step is sunscreen. This is very important step. Always apply the recommended amount to make sure your skin is protected. The order matters because lighter products absorb faster, while heavier ones seal them in. If you want to learn how to formulate your own skincare, I offer hands-on training to guide you. Type formulation in the comments below and I'll send you the details.